And within NBFCs, the gold finance companies look more safe.
Let's wind down today's trading session then and how we've shaped up in trade. Kunj, many thanks for joining in and sharing with us your outlook. Well, we have recovered about 100 plus points from the low point of the trading day. From the low point, because it has been quite a choppy and a volatile session, unable to really scrape through that green level for 14,558. That's where we'll have to make our peace. And for the SENSEX as well, while we were eyeing that historic 50K mark on the index, it's 49,477, so still a while to go. We're 24 points off. The broader markets have looked particularly subdued, and that's in particular the mid-cap index down 0.7%. Is very flat for the small caps. You've got the Nifty Bank, which has recovered more than 400 points from the day's low. That index has hit an all-time high. The PSU banks, what a commendable performance, recovered 4% from the lows of the day to end up being the top sectoral gainer, 3% higher. Autos, Nifty Bank, FMCG, media, metals, those are some of your winners in trade. While for the losers, it's pharmaceuticals, real estate, as well as the services and commodities basket. To the movers then in today's trading session, and I'll start off with the drags in trade. You've got HDFC, Bajaj Finance, UPL, Bajaj Finserv, Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank, Asian Paints and Maruti. They've been some of the losers. But that pullback has definitely been evidenced as we've come off from the lows of the day. And all of that can be attributed to the moves that you saw spectacular, nothing short of that, in the likes of M&M, SBI, ITC, Tata Steel, Tata Motors, IndusInd Bank, ONGC. All of these heavyweights have definitely added quite a bit of fervor to the markets. Let's run you through then the newsmakers. We're keenly awaiting what IT majors, Infosys as well as Wipro dole out. Remember, in an environment where we have seen a number of deal wins kick in, as well as the fact that you've got very strong commentary coming in from most of these companies. There's been a healthy order pipeline. You are going in with very strong expectations from Infosys and Wipro. Airtel is well in focus. They've got the regulatory nod for 100% FII in their subsidiaries. Tata Elxsi, what a mover in trade today on the back of a very healthy quarterly show. SBI is on Goldman Sachs' radar, a buy, a target price at 383. IOC and the entire OMC basket in focus. IOC has hiked petrol and diesel prices by 25 paise per litre each in Delhi. Tata Motors, by the way, continues its up move. The global wholesales have increased 1% year-on-year and 37% sequentially in Q3. There you have it. Those have been some of your newsmakers, but let's take you through then all the action within the broader universe. Your mid caps go home with a cut of 0.6%. For the small caps, it's been lackluster as ever. I'm going to run you through the top drags then. You've got Triveni Turbine, Magma Fincorp, Jain Irrigation, Web of Global, Bandhan Bank, KEC International, National Fertilizers, Kolte Patil, Page Industries that lose out. But your winners are a far more interesting bunch. Just take a look at the kind of moves that you've seen. Bajaj Electricals 15%, Tata Elxsi 14%, Hudco 47 rupees 10% higher, J&K Bank 10%. KNR Constructions, Dishman Carbogen, BOB, Parag, DLF, Moil, Westlife have all had a pretty terrific run. Naresh, your views, the way we've recovered from the low point of the day?
We've recovered well from the low point of the day, just like the previous moves we've been seeing for the last, say, more than a couple of months. But what has happened right now is we are seeing that momentum is not coming up across the board. We are seeing a lot more say concentrated moves, a few stocks doing the moves. So, and we are overstretched, and we've been overstretched for quite some time. A very simple way to look at it is we'll go with the price action. So the last 2 days low is around 14,430. So a stop loss placed at 14,400. Till the time we are above that, we continue to look out for long trades. Moment that goes off, one has to be nimble-footed and take the exit door. If someone thinks they cannot be nimble-footed, time to take some positions off the table in the zone of 14,500.
All right, we'll let you go on that note. Thanks much for taking time out and joining in. We'll take a very short break. Do stay with us as we zero in on the IT majors earnings when we come back.